Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Group 4, and now we are going to discuss Indonesia Policing Organization.
Police Organization. Brief history of the police organization. The Indonesian National Police, Polri, has a history deeply intertwined with the nation's struggle for independence and subsequent political developments. Early years and colonial influence. Pre-1945. Before Indonesian independence, policing was handled by the Dutch colonial authorities primarily through the Veldpolitie or field of police. These forces were often integrated with the military establishments. Formation and the Revolution, 1945 to 1960s. Following the Japanese occupation, during World War II, the Badan Kepolisian Negara, National Police Agency, was formed on August 19, 1945. The newly formed police played a crucial role in the Indonesian National Revolution, fighting alongside other forces against the returning Dutch. The organization underwent several name changes and shifts in the authority during this period. Raden said Sukanto Tijokrodyat Mojo was appointed as first chief of police. Integration with the military, 1960s to 1990s. In 1962, the police were integrated into the Indonesian Armed Forces, or ABRI, becoming the Angkatan Kepolisian Police Force. This integration reflected the broader political climate and the military's significant influence on Indonesian governance. Independence and reform, 1999%. A significant turning point came in April 1999, when the Indonesian National Police regained its independence from the armed forces. This marked a crucial step towards civilian control of the police and was part of broader democratic reforms in Indonesia. July 1st is celebrated as National Police Day or Hari Bayangkara, commemorating the 1946 Cabinet resolution establishing the police as a national agency directly responsible to the government.
Organizational mandates. Vision. The realization of excellent service. Professional and fair law enforcement and the maintenance of strong public security and order. Mission. Providing protection, guidance and service to help public proportionality and accountability. Upholding the law through objective and transparent law enforcement processes. Maintaining public order and security by involving the community in crime prevention. Improving institutional professionalism, including human resources and infrastructure. Motto, Rastra Siwa Kutama, meaning the people's main servant. Organizational structure, ranking, and governance. First is President of Indonesia. Second, National Police Chief nga may 4-star. Tapos, Deputy Police Chief nga may 3-star kag National Police Commission nga external oversight body. Tapos, Headquarter Staff, Division, Special Units, Traffic, Intel, kag iba pa. Tapos, National Agency, Brimod, Dinso, 88, and H. Regional Police, nga may 34 provinces. Ang Type A na is 2-star General, tapos Type B na is 1-star General. Tapos, nasundan kang Resort Police or City District Level. Headed by EKI, BP, or Kumpol. Sector Police. Moya ang last nga ranking. Nakabutang diya ang sub-district level headed by AKP or IPTU.
Police qualifications and training. Becoming a police officer requires meeting educational requirements, at least a 6th grade education, passing a competitive examination, demonstrating physical fitness, and possessing a good moral character. Training includes basic and advanced programs at the National Police Academy and specialized units. The training curriculum covers laws, enforcement, self-defense, firearms handling, and other specialized skills. Police agency performance. Public perception and assessment of police performance are varied, while some surveys indicate public satisfaction with certain aspects of police work. Particularly during the homecoming season, concerns persist regarding corruption, human rights abuse, and a perceived culture of violence. Studies highlight ongoing challenges in reforming the police force and improving accountability. Efforts to address these issues are ongoing, but significant challenges remain. Thank you.